Hi everyone. So in this video we will learn how to detect a scroll event in JavaScript. As you can see right in front of me, I got a div element. The default background color is ghost white. But the moment when I will start scrolling vertically, you can see the background color will change to green. And as soon as I stop, it will restore back to ghost white color. Same logic is applied to this web page. So when I will scroll, it will be green. And the moment when I will stop, it will restore back to white background. So this is what we are going to build in this tutorial. So let's get started. Let's create an index file here. It will be index.html. Let's have a basic HTML structure and a link to the style sheet. Also, we need a script file at the bottom, which is script.js. We need one div element with some dummy text. Save it. Now let's create a style sheet here. Select the div element. Give it a height of 300 pixels. Width of around 50%. Border will be 1 pixel solid black. Margin will be 0 and auto. Padding will be 10 pixels. Background color will be ghost white. Overflow will be auto. Also select the body element. Give it a height of 150 VH. Just open this file in the browser to see the output. Perfect. Now let's work on the script file. Create a file here, script.js. Select div element. Add event listener. Event will be scroll because we want to monitor the scroll event. This will be the handler function. And upon scroll, we would like to change the background color to green. So we'll go to the background color property and make it green. Now go to the browser, start scrolling vertically. So background color is changing to green. But there is some issue. As soon as I stop scrolling, I want it to restore back to the ghost white color, which is the default background color. For that, I have to make use of set timeout method here. So let's create a variable timeout here. We'll check for it to make sure it is defined. If it is defined, we'll call this function clear timeout and pass this timeout. Actually, it is timeout ID. Okay. Now let's make use of set timeout method here. And after 500 milliseconds, we'll restore it back to ghost white color. Let's make it ghost white. Let's go to browser to see if it is working or not. Time to scroll. So it's working absolutely fine. Now we need same logic for this web page. Simply just copy and paste this piece of code here. And we'll use window, and also here we'll use document.body. Same logic goes here. So we are monitoring the window for the scroll event and we are changing the body color. In this case, it will be white. Save it. Let's go to browser, scroll the web page. You can also increase the delay. You can also make it 1 second. This simply means if there is no scrolling for at least 1 second, we'll restore the background color. Now just save it, go to browser, scroll this div, and you can see for 1 second there is no activity and we are getting the default background color. Same logic goes for the web page. So it's working absolutely fine. I hope you got the point how it actually works. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.